Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 80 to the power of 12 divided by 40 to the power of 24, so we write this expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working on this paper. Here we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method, please write your method in the comment section. So here now we start with the first method. So now in first method, here we need to focus on the basis of this expression. So here you have the base on the numerator term is 80. So we rewrite this base as we know that this is 80 and 80 is written as 5 times of 16 becomes here 18. 80 and its whole exponent is 12. It is divided by this is 40, and we write 40 as 5 times of 8. We know that 5 times of 8 becomes here 40. And now further in the next step, we need to simplify the terms, and here we have the simplification is first we need to apply here the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a multiplied by b and its whole exponent is m, we write it as a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, first we need to break this exponent, and we write this in separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 12 multiplied by 16 to the power of 12. It is divided by 5 to the power of 24 multiplied by 8 to the power of 24. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that we have these are the two terms and whose exponents are the same. We will apply here this exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, but here we have the two cases for this law. Okay, the first case is that if our m is greater than n, then we write this term as a to the power of m minus n. But here if our m is less than n, then we write this law as in this form: 1 over a to the power of n minus m. Okay, so these are the two forms of this exponent law. Now here you see we have that 12 is less than the 24, so that we move this 12 to the side of 24. So it will be written as, here you have 16, we write the 16 as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole exponent is 12. It is divided by, here we move this exponent 12 to the 24. It will be written as 5 to the power of 24 minus 12, and here we have this is 8, and we write this 8 as 2 cubed. We know that 2 cubed is equals to 8 and its whole exponent is 24. And now here in the next step we need some simplifications here, and we have if you see here, we can apply another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. According to this exponent law, we need to multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 12 divided by, here you have 24 minus 12, and 24 minus 12 is equals to 12. And here again we apply this exponent law on these terms, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 24. Okay, so further we need more simplification, and now we multiply this 2 times of 12, and we know that 4 times of 12 equals to 48. It is divided by, this will be written as 5 to the power of 12, and this is 3 times of 24 equals to 72. Okay, so again we need to apply here this exponent law. So you see here the 48 is less than 72, so we move 48 to 72, and it will be written as in this form. So we have 1 divided by 5 to the power of 12 into this is 2 to the power of 72 minus this is 48. So that here we subtract these two values and it will be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 12, and it is multiplied by 2 to the power of this is 72 minus 48 is equals to 24. So you get here 2 to the power of 24. So now you see here the bases and exponents both are different. So now in order to simplify this we need to make the exponents are same. So we write this term as 1 over 5 to the power of 12 multiplied by, we write this 24 as 2 to the power of 12 times of 2 becomes 24. So here we can apply the exponent law on here, and we move this 2 inside the term, and it will be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 12 into 2 to the power of 2, and its whole exponent is 12. So now you see here the exponent of these two terms are same, so that we combine these two exponents and it will be written as 1 over 5 is multiplied by 2 square equals to 4, and its whole exponent is 12. So we obtain here 1 over 5 fours are 20 and 20 to the power of 12. So in other words, when you move this 20 to the power of 12 upside, it will be written as 20 to the power of minus 12. So this is our final answer of this question here, which we get the final answer from method number 1. And now here we need to move forward from second method, so that in second method we first copy down our given question statement here. Okay, so that here we can apply the second method. So that now our given question statement is 80 to the power of 12 divided by 40 to the power of 24. So now here again we break the basis of this expression, and we write our this 80 as 4 times of this is 4 times of 20. We know that 4 times of 20 becomes 80, and its exponent is 12 divided by, we write this 40 as 2 times of 20. We know that 2 times of 20 becomes here 12, and its whole exponent is 24. So that now we can again apply another exponent law, and we break this exponent on both of these terms, and it will be written as 4 to the power of 12 multiplied by 20 to the power of 12 divided by, this is 2 to the power of 24 multiplied by 20 to the power of 24. So again you see here the basis on these two terms are same, but our 12 be the smaller exponent. We move this 12 to 24, and it will be written as so this will becomes, here we write this 4 as 2 square, and its whole exponent is 12 divided by 2 to the power of 24, and we combine or we move this 12 on here, and it will be written as 20 to the power of 24 minus 12. So these two times of 12 becomes 24. So we obtain 2 to the power of 24 divided by 2 to the power of 24, and it is 20 to the power of 24 minus 12 becomes 12. This term is cancelled out by this term, and we will obtain here our final answer is 1 over 20 to the power of 12, or in other words 20 to the power of minus 12. This is the final answer which we get from second method. Please comment which method you like, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.